Alright, today is our last day here. And Kimberly's driving. After the maze that is the driveway.
I don't back up good, okay? They have a really long driveway, and I don't like it. And plus, this isn't my car. I'm not good with cars that aren't my car.
Anything else?
Yeah.
Okay.
Be glad I'm a good Christian woman. Just be, yeah. Anyway.
Never stopped you. Or me. We're gonna go eat breakfast. I guess we're going to Cracker Barrel. I don't know, that was a major discussion.
Yeah, we are.
And point of conflict this morning.
Yes, we're going to Cracker Barrel.
Then we are going to the airport after we get everything finished, picked up, and all that good stuff. And then we are headed home. And this time tomorrow, we will be back at home. And you can finally have home on your video. You're in the turning lane, by the way.
No, I'm not. I have to get over here.
Whatever.
I can't.
Just go.
I can't just jump
Just
over.
go.
You are the most critical side seat driver. It is
That's why
horrible.
I hate riding with anybody.
No, you're mean when you ride
I am
with
mean
people.
because I don't like riding. I don't like riding with other people.
I am not a bad driver. Like, I will defend myself. I am not a bad driver. He is a mean side seat driver. So I usually just have to block out everything he says.
It's not just her, it's everybody I ride with.
Whatever.
But tomorrow, I guess, you guys can actually see home.
He'll probably be up there telling the pilot how to drive the plane, too.
No, because I got to wrestle with Carson in the plane, so I don't do that. But, just a heads up for videos today. I don't like the airport.
But he's going to be nice. And he's going to have a good time.
I'm gonna try. I don't mind flying. It's not the plane that gets me. It's the airport. I don't like the airport. I don't know what it is. I just don't like it. So, but then again, I don't like traveling in general. I would rather make the 12-hour car drive here.
Oh no, I hate car rides.
And
I can't stand
I would
car
much
rides.
rather do that.
Not with kids and a dog.
No, we'd be okay. Anyway, we're right behind our in-laws now. All right, I'm videotaping us walking in. No.
Thank you.
And so we're eating at Cracker Barrel.
Hi.
Tell them hi. Carson's tired, so we'll see how breakfast goes with him being tired. Take him home and let him take a nap before we have to head out. So, anyway, we can go eat breakfast. So breakfast is over. And what'd you get?
Huh?
What'd you get?
I got pecan pancakes.
Nasty.
And eggs and ham. So my last hurrah before I'm back on my normal.
Yeah, she thinks we're going on some kind of diet when we get back to the house, but you know, we'll see. I'm pleasantly plump.
Wait, where am I going?
I don't know.
How do I get out of here?
I don't know.
Oh, I gotta go around this way.
Anyway, Carson's gonna go take a nap. We're gonna make one last pass through the house to make sure that everything's picked up and ready to go. And then we will be on our way in a couple hours. About 2 hours or so, we'll head to the airport. So.
All right, where are we going, KK?
To the airport.
To the airport to go where?
Oklahoma again.
Yep, we're on our way home.
Oh my gosh.
We have to use our iPhones because Daddy can't find the camera, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, hopefully it's in our suitcase.
Show me again.
Okay, we're not doing. Say bye, Aunt Laura.
I'm trying to drive.
Aunt Laura's not going to be in our vlogs for a long time. I'm sure she's stricken with pain and anguish because of that. Okay, we're getting a smoothie before we get on the airplane. Say hey, Carson. Say hey, Carson. Say hi. Yeah, she's having Mama and Papa withdrawals. He's on his phone, and the dog's going crazy. Look at him keep moving.
Guys, know where Momo Papa is? Comment down below if you do. for part 2. Part 2.
Part 2 of what?
Finding Momo and Papa.
Finding Momo and Papa. This is like Finding Nemo or something.
Yes, there's a part 2.
She's so silly. Hey, Carson, look. Look, Carson. Look, ready to go on the big airplane?
They're boarding right now.
Well, they're about to.
Ooh, this would be cool for mine. This would be
Coffee
cool
shop.
to give to Laura.
What is it?
The cup.
Yep.
Ooh, I found my love.
We're about to land, Bubba.
He's got a baby care bag.
Yeah, he does.
I'll throw the baby in there. It's fussy.
The baby care bag's keeping him occupied.
He's sweaty. He stinks. I'll be home in 10 hours. Less than 10 hours. No, we gotta put this up. We gotta put it up when we're leaving. Look outside.
Mommy, look.
Outside.
What, baby? Oh.
Look at all that. See all the stuff? Getting ready to land. You're ready to be on the ground again. So that's Daddy's favorite part of flying. Getting out of the airplane.
Now it's time to jump.
Say hello, Atlanta.
If you checked your luggage at the ticket counter, you may pick it up as baggage claim. South Terminal. If you checked your luggage, find satellite pick tag this afternoon. Look forward to seeing you on another flight soon. Thanks again and have a great night.
I ate your hair.
Okay, we're in Atlanta. There's Dad.
Daddy, I'm sketching.
Kaylee being silly.
Shoes.
Sweetie and
Watch
Bubba.
me sketch. Sketch. It's a love.
Say hey, Bubba.
Hey. 2.
Okay, we just gotta find our next flight.
And get
Here.
We made it to Atlanta.
No,
and
Bubba.
my wife instantly
No, no.
gets out the game. I've already checked it though, so it's fine.
Well, because I think like maybe there's cool things at the airport, you know?
Who knows?
hi.
Haley's supposed to be standing her back on the wall because she can't stand still.
She's excited to be at the airport.
Yeah,
and
she's
she's
excited.
got that kid
She just-
excitement. And there's just so many people here.
And we're waiting on the family restroom to let the dog eat. So.
All right, we're eating dinner.
No,
Bubba.
no, that's fine.
Carson has chicken and french fries, and I have shrimp and mashed potatoes. Kaylee's got chicken and french fries. Hey, smile. Smile! Daddy has wings and broccoli. He's supposed to be having french fries, I think. So, we're eating it Fridays. What were you just talking about, Kaylee?
I want my mom and Papa to come back.
But what were you just telling me about? What?
No.
Papa took me out
No.
to yogurt, and I wish I could
Talk
do
louder.
it. Papa took me out to yogurt to eat some yogurt, and I wish I could do it right now because it was a good memory.
It was a good memory, wasn't it?
But
If you didn't hear, she said that Pawpaw took her out to get yogurt yesterday, and she said that was a really good memory. I just thought that was really sweet. You're being silly now, but I thought it was really sweet. She just started talking about that, and she said what a good memory it was. Did you enjoy doing that with Pawpaw?
Yeah, I got rocks in mine.
You did in your yogurt.
Yeah.
What was your best memory of Momo?
When we played together and watched movies together.
Yeah. What was your best memory of Laura?
Girls' Day, doing hair with me, and
Talk a little louder.
playing with her, and
Yeah. What did you say about the chicken, too? She said something funny about the chicken. What'd you ask?
Did Paul send this to this airport and store? Because this is awesome.
Does Pawpaw make really good chicken?
Yes.
Yeah.
I'm betting he's in the disguise. Look what he is disguise.
You think Pawpaw's in disguise back there making chicken?
Look, no, look. That's probably him.
No, I don't think so. You're so silly. Is it recording?
Yes.
Guys, I gotta show you what he's
Kaylee,
doing.
get out
This
here.
is like dad of the year right here. He's baby wearing. Is that not cute? That is awesome.
This is the weirdest thing ever.
That is like dad of the year.
This is weird. This is just so weird.
I do it
He's got
sometimes.
my ring sling. It's not totally positioned correctly, but hey,
It'll be okay.
that is awesome. Okay,
All right, let's go.
We're going to our next place.
we are. All right, go ahead, Dad. That is so cute.
Hi
He is so
guys.
stinking
Hi
cute.
guys.
Okay, there is no window to see out of.
We're on the last leg of this trip, and I don't think we're going to make it in one piece.
Oh, we're gonna make it. It's just debatable about who's gonna make it.
The kids are tired. We are tired. And we're all falling apart.
Oh, you better be tired.
This is reality, people. This is reality. We landed, but we're trying to get off the plane. Yeah. I don't know how this is gonna work. You're gonna bite me. Alright. Gonna bite me. Shark mouth is going to bite me. She's so silly.
Delta. Okay.
They're so tired.
I don't know.
We're
I'm not
about
sure.
to get off. Big yawns.
Okay.
10 o'clock at night.
Say dada. No, don't drive that. Say dada. Say dada. Carson. Say dada. Say dada. Say dada. No, say dada. Say dada. 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 Dada.
Alright. So, this was supposed to be a happy, woohoo, we're home. Oh, my phone's about to die. A happy, woohoo, we're home ending to today's vlog. It's not. You know why it's not? Because we came home to a flooded house. Our house decided that it wanted to give us a swimming pool.
It did this the same time last year. The air conditioner gets clogged up and it overflows.
By the way, we replaced our air conditioning system last year.
No, it's 2 years ago.
2 years ago.
Yeah, it was. Last year was the first year it flooded. 2 years ago is when it got replaced.
Either way, it shouldn't be doing it.
Well, the guy installed it wrong, so there's nothing that we can really do except see if we can get him to come out and fix it. So, he showed me how to do it. I'll go out there tomorrow and try to fix it. And get the carpet cleaner out and suck up all the water and shampoo the carpet. And probably have to rip it all up and get rid of it.
Yeah, so good news is, well, it's not good news at all. I've been wanting to get rid of this carpet in my living room for a long time, and it's definitely going to happen now. It's not good news at all. I'm just not. When it rains, it pours.
Mm-hmm.
And I'm just tired and I'm exhausted.
Let's go to bed. You can do your editing stuff in the morning.
Yeah, I'm sorry. The vlog's not getting up tonight because it's, what time is it?
It's after 1 o'clock.
Yeah, it's after 1 o'clock in the morning, so no, I'm not doing any editing tonight. I'll do it tomorrow. It's life. This happens. I know it happens. It's stressful when it does, so.
I'm gonna wait and mow the lawn tomorrow evening because it'll be cooler. And in the morning it's gonna be wet.
That's probably another reason why. I don't know.
I don't think that's much of a reason, but whatever. Okay.
Alright, we'll see you guys later. We're going to bed.
Good night.
Bye.